Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your love and support as always. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you're coming across this channel or you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm AGATHA Progress channel here on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. Do what to support Biafra referendum because in referendum that is where our hope lies. I have one wonderful video that I want us to watch together. I don't know how you felt about this video, but I do hope you pick some sense from it. Alright, my wonderful family, let's join in and watch the video and I'll be right back.
16th of this month. I showed it on this program. I also want further to show another fundraising coming on the 17th of this month. If you watch our live broadcasting, you are going to be seeing this announcement for fundraising. I have been announcing fundraising not today. I didn't start today to announce fundraising. So why would somebody go to Radio Biafra and start barking like a dog and referencing me that those who come to Facebook to dance, whoever that person is, I will not. I don't have time for idiot. Okay, I don't have time for idiot. But the day I'm going to remember you on my program, I will not only remember you on my program, I will remember you both physically, spiritually, and otherwise. When I fight with everything. I am not a man who shouts and rant like a dog. I don't do that. I laugh. I laugh. Let me tell you, dog is a domestic animal. In Europe, dog is not regarded as animal. It's part of family. But in Africa, dog is a domestic animal. And some people eat dog. And there is something that our people used to say. They say a dog is an animal that laughs the day, I don't know how to put it, but how we used to say it is that, or chochi, mbosowa de anjo. Nkita bụ anụ na-achị ọchị mbosowa de anjo. Don't think that this my laugh, this my smile every day means that everything is okay. I know the rant. I will give you anyhow you want it. But no. Anywhere you are, I don't rant. But let me stop here. One more referencing me on your miserable life and whatever you do. One more time, you reference me. One more time, you reference me. I will come for you. Personally. One more time. First of all, I have not seen anywhere that the flyer I have posted, the announcement I have been making, both the fundraising on the 16th, both the fundraising on the 17th, and both all other fundraising. I have no access to money in IPOB. I have nothing to do with IPOB money. I don't have access to money. All what I'm doing is to support the struggle, help to raise funds. I don't know where your fund is going. I'm not interested because I know that whoever that is handling the fund, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have entrusted the fund to handle, is doing his job or her job. So it is not my business who is handling your fund and what the person is doing with the fund. It is not my business. My business is to support the struggle and support IPOB. And I have been doing it, and I will continue to do it, irrespective of whatever you idiot think. Because when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was here, I was doing the same thing. So I don't see any different. And I will continue to do it, irrespective of what you idiot think. So we have not heard, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have not given any order that Madam Oyibo is no longer in charge of ESM money. The order have not come. All the fundraising, according to the directive of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is to go to the ESN account. And till today, we have only one ESN account, which is the Umeri account that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gave order to open. The account was opened. The information I shared was sent to me just like every other fundraising flyer. I shared it. So why would somebody go to Radio Biafra and start talking that somebody promised people to go to Canada, they will get a visa to this, a good visa to that? You think I am Anwan Atata? I am not. I am not an Atata. But if I open mouth and begin to address you, if I open mouth, even where you are, you can't stay there. Let this be the last, the first and last. You will go to Radio Biafra and reference me. Today will be the first and last. If you do it again, as you hear, let me set the record very straight. We have not received any order from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that Umeri account is not real ESN account. Until that order comes, then I will do otherwise. Everything I'm doing now is what in accordance with our leader directive. Anybody that if you reference me again, I will not even talk. I am inside that film. Let it happen again. I don't know what I have done to you. If you mention my name again or reference me again, because you have not fucking business mentioning me, referencing me in whatever issue you have. I am doing my job. My job is to help the struggle. And that is what I'm doing. I have not deviated. It is not in my position to start scrutinizing which one is approved, which one is not approved, and stuff like that. The information is coming from reliable people that I trust, who tell you that your enemy must be my enemy. The information I posted about fundraising on the 17th, I also posted about fundraising on my program here on the 16th. Yesterday, I made that for yesterday, during yesterday broadcast. I brought the 16th fundraising. I brought also the 17th fundraising. So if I am bad, as they try to make you believe, I also add the 16th fundraising and add the 17th fundraising during my program here. And some idiot go to Radio Biafra and start barking like a dog. Reference me again, and I will not address you. But that video you want that I put, I will put it. Enough. I'm not a man. I am not ordinary man. I am not ordinary. Go to native doctor. Go to your native doctor and ask question. I'm not a man you can shout down and talk to anyhow. Because when you eat yam to go to war, you don't know how many yam your opponent eat. If you people, if not for Mazin Nambikano, I would have tear the mouth deal. You could have done it, I have come to continue where I have come to continue what I have come to do. What I have come to do this evening is that we are going to turn every stone for the sake of Biafra. Somebody say you didn't hear me. Let me tell you. Let me make it very clear, because you know, Abiama UC, MSA, I did not hear your name in the broadcast today. Calm down, please. No, you don't need to hear my name. Let me tell you how my name was, how I was referenced. I said referenced. That person said that it is not to come on Facebook and dance. How many of you are dancing on Facebook? That person said it is not to come on social media and talk. He went further to say it is not not to come and dupe Biafra people, that I will take you to Canada, I will take you visa, and dupe Biafrans. So I don't think it was referring to you. Neither was the person referring to Oyibo. He mentioned immigration, duping Biafra on immigration. And as I'm talking to you now, between the time I announced taking people to go to work in Poland, for example, so many of our Biafran brothers are there today in Poland working. Other people, their documents are still in progress. So he was not referring to you. He was referring to me. That I do Biafrans on immigration. So, and I believe that as I'm saying it now, those who have gone through me to be where they are today and working. And I don't do documents for somebody to come and start seeking asylum. I give you work from Africa. You come and work legally. That's what I do. And that person went to Radio Biafra, start referencing immigration. You do Biafran's immigration. This is not the, you know. I don't take nonsense from anybody. If you try me again, let us see. Please don't push me. And so, my brother Abiyama, I have addressed you. So I will continue to help this struggle, both in raising funds, creating awareness, until Mazi Nnamdi Kanu says otherwise. That is the only time anything can change. But for now, I don't care what anybody does. I don't care whatever anybody say. Okay? As far as I'm concerned, and as far as I know, and as far as it is in public knowledge, the person who is in charge of ESN Finance is called Madam Oyibo. And I have no reason to suspect her. I have no reason. It is not in my position to doubt her. It is not in my position to suspect her. It is not in my position to condemn her. It is not my position to say, I don't want to work with you. It is not my position. I am working with the people Mazi Nnamdi Kanu mandated to do something. I choose if I want to work with you. If your way is pure and genuine to me, I work with you. And that position remains like that until further notice. So, but let me hear that nonsense again. I will not talk, but the entire world will hear it, because our own is that we take it to your domot. I don't make mouth. I don't make mouth. If you threaten everybody in IPOB, I have said it several times. I am the last man. I will be the one that will end you. You can't threaten me. I'm not somebody you can threaten. If you threaten everybody, you are shouting to everybody and threatening everybody in IPOB, I will be the last man. You can do it.
Honestly, I've been thinking for a very long time that this thing is, in fact, they've already outgrown this particular stage. I never knew that this thing is still very much afresh on ground. All right, my wonderful family, please, I want us to deliberate on this issue right in the comment section. What to think about all what is going on right now? Do you think that the DOS, Simon Ekpa, they are taking the best move of this struggle? Please, I want to know in the comment section. Thank you very much for your love and support. Do well to share this video, like this video, and subscribe if you haven't. I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress here on YouTube, any day, anytime. Do well to support Biafra referendum. See you when I see you. For now, bye.